Ready to bring your Nest Hub Max to life? Let's get it connected in minutes so you can unlock its full potential from video calls to smart home control. Plug the Nest Hub Max into a standard power outlet using the included adapter. Once powered, the device will boot up automatically and display setup instructions. Make sure it's placed in a central spot for easy access and visibility. Open the Google Home app on your phone and tap Set Up Device. Follow the prompts to connect the Nest Hub Max to your Wi-Fi and Google account. You'll assign it to a room and customize basic settings like language and location. Set up Voice Match so the device recognizes your voice for personalized info. Enable Face Match for visual cues like calendar, reminders, and video messages. You can also sync smart home devices, video services, and music apps for full control. That's all it takes to pair your Google Nest Hub Max display. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy setup tutorials. See you in the next one.